So today we're going to look at the cookie. You know, the cookie. It's a super token. Actually, it's the exact setup. The setup that we're going to look at today. How I found the cookie. Actually, I have a token scanner to my left. You can see that. The best of the day took 50%. You can see it's on a vector of easily. Easily. It's the stuff you're looking for. And then, from there, it's from there that I take trades. So we're going to go down the time frame to the 4-hour. Exactly what you're looking for in terms of a setup. In fact, what is it? It's a revival pattern. We go down, we continue to stay below the middle of the cloud. We go down, we go down. It's when we're going to make a wick on the middle of the channel. You see, a wick. And then we can trade that. And that's what I'm going to explain to you today. If you want to trade like me, you need this indicator, which is free. It's the Crypto-Quebec indicator. Okay, if you want to get it, you'll see that today. In this video, you'll see that it's really important. And I'm the one who created it. If you want it, you click here. You come to Discord. Here or here. It's the same place, in fact. And then you go to the indicator section to get the Crypto-Quebec indicator. Okay, there's only one Crypto-Quebec. And there's only one person in Quebec who has an indicator named after them. And that's me. If you want it, you take it. And you'll be able to trade.
You see, this is BNX. And if you want to see BNX, we all filled our bags BNX, BNX. I'm sharing BNX, BNX, okay? We all filled our bags. How did we identify it? It's easy. We took a vector candle. We went up. We arrived here. Red candle. We stop. Then you put a line like this. I draw the line for you to show you, but in real life, I wouldn't draw a line, you know? You don't need it. I enter a vector. In fact, you do this. Vector candle. Good. You arrive at the top. Long wick. My indicator told me here. You have it. We're still pushing right now. We're breaking BNX. And then we go down. We go down. Here's an attempt. But you don't break. You don't break your trend line. You see? You don't break your trend line. Oh, change of character on a green vector. Not a fake blue candle. A blue vector. It's a reversal candle. You saw? Not able to reverse. Reversal candle. Look here. You go up, reversal candle. Then where? You candle. You go up, blue reversal candle. And still today live. It's Monday. We're pushing. We're pushing. We're going up to where? But we need to identify wicks on the left. We're going to go here. We're going to see if there are wicks. And then this is a card, obviously, that I posted in the signal group in spot, 25%, because it's possible that it's happening in spot and perpetual. And the target will be here before the reversal. It will be here, approximately the wicks that are there. So you already have the guide that's writing to you. If you want, you could do it like this, and you'll come into this zone here. You see here? It's not complicated, people. It's just that most people don't see the right thing. They look there. Most people don't see the right thing on the screen. If you see,